Happy Thursday. Good day, people. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the live stream. Welcome back to Lip Pips Trading, where I'm laughing already. It is a happy Thursday, man. It is a happy Thursday because we didn't push a button yet, right? And let's hope all together that it's gonna remain a happy Thursday. But man, we've been going through price that is just being that, you know, when we were kids and we had a girl that we wanted to say hi to, maybe we liked her, maybe we wanted to say, hey, you know, let's hang out, and she would always be itchy and angry and as in not likable and not lovable, even though we wanted, right? I don't know where I'm going with this, but Price is like that right now. Price is saying, listen, dude, don't even try. Don't even dare, because nothing good is going to happen. At the same time, we're here. We're here to take a look at the marketplace. We're here to take a look. Maybe we're gonna find a trade, maybe not, but we're gonna have some fun as we always do. So hello everybody, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are well. I was just eating an apple, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna finish my apple and we're gonna dive into this right away, okay? Let me know how are you. The apple is good. Sorry about that. Yet I love what I see here on dollar, and I think I'm gonna remove drawings for a little bit, because going through dollar chart is quite nice, because the marketplace is in a very nice spot in terms of price delivery. The price is in a place where it's hard to participate in, but the delivery itself throughout the weekly range is so far so good. Take a look at this. It's been in a consolidation profile here, right, for quite a while now, and the market opens up, the market lower, which is cool, and the market starts consolidating right here. Power of 3. You're right there. Accumulation, manipulation. What is this? Fusion. Not only we take highs, the smart money reversal here at the top, and we create a high of the week during New York Open on Tuesday. Really. We continuously go lower now on Thursday, creating a possible low of the week. Liquidity taken also. Liquidity gets taken on Tuesday, top of the week. On Thursday, low of the week. Like, can it be any better than this? This is the most common weekly profile that we can get to, where the market accumulates on Monday. High of the week or low of the week gets created on Tuesday. We got that. Pushed to the downside Wednesday, Thursday. Now the market is kind of bottoming out. Maybe we're going to continuously go lower down here. Maybe we won't, but it doesn't really matter, because everything so far, so good. It delivered what we wanted. Take a look at this inversion also. Beautiful price delivery. Beautiful. Take a look out here also. Value gap. Bomb. Respected. Push to the downside. Sell side right here. Taken. Watch this now. Everything on dollar below this fair value gap is still bearish. I'm loving it. So far so good. So far so good. We got a message today in Discord about a possible short entry on Bitcoin. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. We've been watching this push to the upside that we took a profit on Wednesday away from the marketplace for quite a while. And now the setup is quite clean. We're targeting higher prices up until the point that the structure gets broken. We created a significant low that is internal, external low, followed by internal low, right? Meaning there's big swing low here. This confirms the bottom for the marketplace. Right here, the real move starts. Yeah. Let's take a look. This swing and let's project it with standard deviations to the upside. Right? Where do we get? 74,889. Mark that. Mark that. 80,479. Not giving random levels. I'm giving you very, very precise levels here that I'm gonna be watching. Right? And I'm taking these off because I don't need them on my chart. And we waited. We continuously waited because I was still not sure whether this is going to actually push the marketplace to the upside. I knew that this is bottoming out, but when is it gonna push to the upside like this? We didn't know, but what we knew is that this trend line exists. And this trend line is never gonna stay in, right? As soon as this fair value gap inverse, bam, entry. That's what I did. 10% gains, bam, booked. I'm not interested in this now. Possibly even till the end of the year. I took my profits and I'm happy with it. So now I'm looking at it in a very, very simple manner. Daily chart, possible breakaway gap right here, and fair value gap right here. Right? So marketplace can do this, can do this. As soon as this bottom fair value gap gets fully filled, I'm not too keen on the marketplace pushing higher that much anymore, right? Break of structure below here. Possibility of the market doing that, attacking the external liquidity. So would I be the question is, would anyone consider a short on Bitcoin, right? So take it personally. No, I'm kidding. I personally, am I interested in taking a short here? No, not at all. I need the structure to get broken. I need some validations for that. So, as I said, this breakaway gap right now, everything above it bullish. Break of structure below this. Consider this as an order block as well. It will be hard for the marketplace to go through this. Let's. And before it does, no change in state of delivery. We're not interested in lower prices just yet. Okay. Right here, YouTube, that would be lovely, man. Right below this low, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I would appreciate that. But now let's take a look here. So what are we doing? Euro buy stops, run through, target booked. We're happy with this. Oh, on NQ. I'll take a look, man. I'll take a look in a bit. Market is opening in 1 minute. I'm not touching it until 10 o'clock, so no rush for me. I would love the market to make a turn here on Euro. I would love to see that. We've been targeting higher prices. Topping out here. That would be awesome, man. I would love that. I'm gonna watch it continuously. Sadly, pound is not pushing to the upside as much as I wanted to push there. Right. Yes, the target was reached. We called upon this earlier this week. Accumulation, push to the upside. Just a little bit weird. I don't like it too much, but everything delivered. We've been calling for 30,336. Delivered. Let it sink. No. Take it in. Let it sink. And let's come to this beauty. Let's come here. Let's go figure. What are we watching today? What do we want to see the marketplace deliver? And okay. Markets are open though. Markets are open. And it's just pushing lower immediately, which is alright. Apple time. I'm hungry, man. I went to gym 2 days in a row, and it just every single time I do that, kills me. But let's take a look at what do we have. We have a massive SMT here. Huge SMT at the bottom. Right? Look how ES is booking lower prices. Bam, even lower now. Massive SMT. Do we have an SMT at the top? We do have an SMT at the top. SMT after SMT, huh? I'm gonna take 5 to 10 minutes to figure out what I'm watching for today, okay? So, market closes. This is below new week opening gap. Yep, we are below new week opening gap on this. Sell side is just getting annihilated, right? Which is cool. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Not a problem. So let's go and see whether Thursday is gonna bring us a low of the week. Tuesday high of the week, Thursday low of the week. Friday comes back into the range. Like, I'm happy with it. Take a look here. Monday accumulation. Push to the upside. Manipulation. Bomb distribution. Let's fucking go. Like, I'm fine with that. I would never say no to this, you know? Cool with me. So let's go and figure whether we can use anything in here. And for now, I have nothing we can work with just yet. So let's do regular trading hours. We do that every single day, don't we? Oh, massive gap open, isn't it? So let's get rid of these bad boys and put them in here. So the marketplace closed yesterday at 58.45 on yes. Opened up today right here. Massive gap open. I wanted to get close like that. There's no other way of looking at it. Let's take a look at this 1 minute. Like this running lower, this is exact. So if you ask me, Ignas, how does manipulation look like? How does manual intervention look? Right here. This is not natural price delivery. This right here and this right here, not natural. Man-made, like an island, you know? I'll just keep it on current interval only, and let's come back to that 1 minute chart. So what we're gonna watch here on ES, we're gonna watch regular trading hours range, won't we? Have buy stops resting above. If every people who are short are happy, right? We don't want no happiness in the marketplace. Friday regular trading hours bottom taken away from us, which is cool. And we have shitloads of buy above now. Right here, like, ooh la la, bam, 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 bam. Like, do you see where I just got with that? I'm only gonna be interested in looking for buys today. I'm not gonna be interested in lower prices. Why? Because the bottom of the range has been delivered. Can it go lower? Yes, it can. Am I interested in going short in such a discount? No. Why would I? Why would I? Okay. 50% range right above midnight open. Let's see now. I'm not in a rush, and I hate rushing when the market goes lower like it is right now. So what I'm gonna note this 3 minutes per value gap here on ES, and I'm gonna note this 3 minutes per value gap on NQ. Everything below it bearish. I need to see an inverted for buy stops to get targeted. And one more thing that we're gonna note the first fair value gap of the day. Everything below the first fair value gap of the day is bearish for me also. Okay, first fair value gap right here, and we have first fair value gap here. Yep, we do. We just inverted it on S&P 500. Note that. Oh. Now, when is the 3 minute close? 3 minute close is in 2 minutes from now. 2 minutes of me eating an apple, guys, for you. And I'm back. I'm still wondering. So I'm still wondering whether I want or not to engage with price today. These are some things that I really, really enjoy, but I'm not sure yet. But the 3 minute chart is not getting inverted yet. Do you go short here? You can. But you're just putting yourself in front of unnecessary risk if you don't need this. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see. Ritas, where are you watching? Okay, so you said possible YouTube 2022. Where Nasdaq YouTube? Where at? Huh? This would be beautiful. One more swing lower. I would appreciate that. Opening on fair. Swing high would be taken. I would appreciate that. That would be cool. But so far we're just tape read. Hello, Dom. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're right. Hope this Thursday is still beautiful for you. Yep. What we gotta realize is that Forex is just pushing higher so far. Went long on that 937 version. 937. Holy shit, why did you do that? Okay. No. So, I don't know. If you guys want to take your notebooks out, 933. Yeah, I see. I understand. But if you want to take your notebooks out, we have 1, 2. Okay, let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3 fair value gaps, one after another in a row. Meaning that if first fair value gap like this gets inverted, we don't care about it because it's not gonna bring the price higher. We want one singular fair value gap to be in front of us if we want to see the marketplace making that inversion and offering us an entry. Right here, this getting inverted, 932 means nothing. Thus, what did I do about 10 minutes ago? I said, I'm gonna be watching 3 minutes chart. You see? I see 3 very similar candles, one after another, that are all imbalanced, right? Tibbies all here. Sell side inefficient. Buy side inefficient, sorry, right? Sell side delivered, buy side never. Sell side delivered, buy side never. Here, sell side delivered, buy side never, right? We want that to get balanced. This has to get balanced and this has to. So, but you see where I'm going with this? I wanted to see balance, but it doesn't mean that once that gets inverted, it's a buy entry. The price is going higher only to rebalance this. Not going higher right now to offer us a buy entry. Buy entry happens when 3 minute chart gets in. Because this is not a singular fair value gap. There's 3 fair value gaps, one after another here. Okay. What are we doing right now, though, for those just joining in? We're waiting. I'm waiting because of 2 things, right? One thing, I want to see price deliver and to see the opening range to make a full-on decision whether I'm gonna engage with price today or not, right? Me engaging with price and you engaging with price, very big 2 different things. Would I ever recommend you guys trade during NFP week? No, never. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Why? Because I've done it way too many times. Okay? Risk is 15 times higher right now than it is usually. So, stay careful. Tape read. Enjoy tape reading. Learn from it. Take a lot of notes. Yeah? But don't come in here putting yourself into a situation where you say, oh, I'm going to take a trade today. I'm going to look for an order. Like, no. You don't want that. You don't need that. Have you looked at dollar? Yeah, we did look at dollar. We look at dollar in the first minutes of the live stream. So if you want to take a look at what we analyze on dollar, just come back, just scroll to the first minutes of the live stream. And exactly that's what we talked about. That Monday accumulated, Tuesday high of the week, lovely, pushed to the downside. This going lower is the real move of the week. Now we want the marketplace to find the bottom. Where? Right? Get taken. Without this being taken, I'm not interested. Like that, double bottoms don't exist. Double bottoms is a thing where retail says, okay, I'm gonna buy into it, and then they get killed. Okay? So I want to see sell side being in first. Euro. Topping here? Yes, please. It's a daily fair value gap, weekly fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap. Very nice delivery. When do I become interested? Everything above it, I'm not interested. Okay. But this pushing lower, let's go. I'm waiting for it actually. I would love to see that. Okay. And look how this is so good. Look how me making a decision to stick to a 3 minutes chart saves my ass. Because on 1 minute, yeah. If you put it into a very simple form, 1 minute inversion, buy into this, let's fucking go, hell yeah. Nope. 3 minutes chart is still bearish, so we're waiting. And not only that, like very simple thing, up until 10 o'clock, there's no trading for me here. Nothing interests me up until 10 o'clock. I'm not even considering. We're waiting. We want to see the Thursday low of the week. And we do. When and where, I'm not able to yet. We're gonna figure out. We're gonna get to that. Trust me when I say we're gonna get to figuring this out. But not just yet. Huh? This is lovely so far. 1 hour chart. Yes, we have an SMT. We're just bringing ourselves deeper into this order block. Right here. 50% level. Let's take a look if this 50% level is gonna align with something in the marketplace. I'm just gonna put it. Consequent encroachment. Very fucking weird word to say. Well, let's take a look. Something? Not really. We'll see. I'll just get rid. I'm not interested. I'll get rid of these. So, let's take a look at Wednesday low. Considering Wednesday low right now, we have an SMT. We do. considering the marketplace going even lower. I'm not even interested in that. Going back into lower time frames, 5 minutes here in front of you. Continuously pushing lower. So even if Nasdaq delivers 20,079, we're still gonna remain in that SMT, just on different time frame, which is interesting. I would love to see the 3-minute inversion. So now, simply put, I would love, ES looks a lot better. I would love to see this. Back inside, push here, then push here. We're gonna have a 3 minutes inversion. That is beautiful. We're gonna have a trade which is 40 fucking handles, which is 40 handles is 35 handles more than they need. You know? This is exactly what I talk about every single time I talk with any of you guys when we go into a situation where you tell me that, listen, I'm struggling, I'm not able to continuously and constantly take money out of the marketplace and so on and so forth. And then I ask, so what kind of take profits are you looking to? And you come into a place where you say, listen, I'm always targeting 1 to 5 risk reward. And I say, fuck that. To begin your journey of profitability, you don't need 1 to 5 risk reward. You need 1 to 1 risk reward. If you can start working with 1 to 1 risk reward, risking 5 handles to make 5 handles, which is usually 250 bucks risk, 250 reward, this is all you need. Because making 250 5 times a week of 1,250 more than what you had. Don't put yourself into a situation where you're gonna try to tell me that $1,250 a week is not good enough. If you anywhere in a time zone that is similar to mine, 1,250 is twice as much as a regular person gets into his bank account on a monthly basis. 250 a day is more than enough. I mean, when I say that. And when you put it into a marketplace, 250 a day is 5 handles a day. This is all you need. Draw out a box which is 5 handles big. And just put yourself into a situation where you look for a trade which is 5 handles. For example, right here, we come back into that 3 minutes chart. Entry, take profit, $250. Market opens, you think it's gonna go lower? Okay. Market opened up. You wait for what? 30 seconds? You open the trade here. 30 seconds later, profit $250. I'm not kidding when I say that you need 5 handles a day. And that's all you need. You just gotta play it smart. And Dom, take a look at this. Let's go. Let's go. Forex is running lower already. Like, ooh, GBP, even better. This is nice. But look at this on GBP. Like this, I want to see deliver. This, like, this is way too juicy for me. So we'll see. But right now we're just waiting. We're just hanging out. We're just killing time because we still have 5 minutes up until the. Allow ourselves to look for it. Forex is just going nicely. I like that. I like what I see. The boring part of the day is coming to an end because we're coming to 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is gonna be the place we're gonna start looking for an order, right? I think my mic is a little bit laggy. If it is, let me know, please. Looked like it, at least. Now this swing low opening up, I'm happy with it, but dude, sell side still remains open. Sell side still freaking remains open. We're gonna do a little bit of waiting. I don't like every single time the market opens up and just goes like this, I have to put my shoes into how to say not into my shoes anymore. Into shoes of a guy who just came into the marketplace and thinks, oh my god, this is going lower. I want to participate in it. And I'm happy for him. It's cool that he's in a trade. But if he's not taking a partial down here, we're just gonna rip through this and we're gonna take a look at how his stop loss looks like. I'm starting to put notes onto my chart now as well. If this SMT happens, it's gonna be interesting. How far are we from sell sign? This is gonna be a 5 handles trade, dude. Watch this. I'm not in a trade. I'm not. But watch this. And I'm saying watch just to take a look whether it's gonna deliver or not, right? I kinda said that we're gonna try to backtest a little bit today. So we're not backtesting it in a way. We're live testing it. And now if you're in a trade, you have to say, okay, danger. Why is that dangerous? What am I drawing out right now? It's danger because we just created a lower low on NQ when ES failed to do that, right? If you entered the trade on 9:59, right? Hypothetically, you didn't have an SMT yet, you had a low. You enter, bam, NQ goes lower. You're not interested in this anymore. Yeah? Because NQ showed weakness while ES stayed strong, right? SMT. So we're watching how this delivers. I think 570, 80 is gonna get delivered, just a matter of time, but let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna open up Forex now. Let's do 15 minutes maybe. The same SMT that I just noted happened here. Remove drawings, remove drawings. The okay, this was weird. I don't know if you saw what happened with my chart, but this was weird. It is weird. Okay. Why is it doing it? Fuck that. What I was gonna say is that Euro created a lower low whilst GBP USD created a vice versa. Euro created a higher high when GBP USD failed to do that. SMT at the top, bam, marketplace goes lower immediately. Cool stuff. Just like we're watching here right now. Yeah. Still have that SMT at the lows. Still considering it. But this week means nothing for us. Like there's no entry here. We're just watching. I love that. Watching. This is so far the only PD area I'm interested in as well. Well, everything below it bearish because we inverted it already. So this SMT won't hold. It shouldn't hold. The 5780.75 should get delivered. Okay. But we're not engaging in this. We're not interested. As soon as this gets delivered, we're gonna have possible engagement opportunity, let's say. Because we're gonna watch for the marketplace to make a reversal. This, the most recent swing high getting taken, is gonna be interesting. If we do it with an impulse, if we have an opening such as a fair value gap, volume imbalance, right? We're gonna be interested in seeing what else can we get out of here. Okay. But until that point, everything. So up until the point that 5780 gets delivered on ES, it's just literally gonna be a push to the upside as a retracement, right? Market starts going higher here. We're not gonna consider it as a run on liquidity full on. It's just gonna push to rebalance, push to retrace to get lower later down the line. Okay? Very big difference. Entering a trade to catch a retracement or entering a trade to see a run on buy stops, right? Very, very different things. Also not delivered just yet, right? Lows taken, yes, sure. No need no text here. No. Lows taken, yes. We're still waiting. And bam, target hit. We're gonna see what else now. Right? How deep can we go? Because we have an SMT at the low again. We do. How deep we're gonna go, I don't know, and I don't really mind because I'm not engaging into this, right? What I'm interested in engaging towards this. Okay? When it's smooth like that, it always gets delivered. Never stays open. Trust me when I say that. Just give me some trust, you know? Kidding. But we're gonna see. Bum, 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 bum. When are we going to bottom this out? Let's try to find. I know we're confirming the SMT, which is great, right? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is a nice break of structure on 5 minutes chart. I'm gonna note that. Nasdaq is staying a lot stronger than ES, right? Also good. We're happy with that. So now I'm getting more and more interested because of that SMT at the low, right? This getting inverted, push to the upside here, right? Breaks the structure. But you see how knowing how much riskier this week is, how much time I spend not talking to myself, but explaining you guys how to avoid taking unnecessary risk, how to put yourself into a situation where you open a trade that is going to be good for you, that's going to deliver, that is not going to consolidate on you, that is not going to be freaking annoying, if you know what I mean, okay? Mm-hmm. We're creating a nice range here now as well. Keep that in mind. Right? Us going back and forth here is just 50-50 scenario, right? But now this PDRE is a 1 minute for value gap. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Right? DB. In other words, we're interested to see price holding in here because that would just confirm continuity towards lower prices. Yeah, we're good with that. We're not engaging with this. We're just saying, okay, continuously watch. Let's continuously see what the marketplace is going to offer us. This still being open, cool. We're gonna wait for the marketplace to deliver at some point. Huh? Yes, just staying. Very heavy. This short right here, nice. Very nice. Like you should, if you took this, you should be happy. If not, take a screenshot. Learn from this. Put it to your notes. This is cool. This is so far so fucking beautiful. Okay? 2079, sell side resting down below. Watch that as well. Right? You see how it delivers. What do we see now? Another opening, right? Order block. These candles right here, order block. Bum. Do I want it to come back into this? Not really. This remaining open is just brilliant. It's just gonna allow the marketplace to run, which is cool. I like to see speed. I like to see it go fast. It's good. Why am I saying this now? I do this once a day, right? Then 08 inside candle. We have 1007 open. Push to the upside, go lower, close, right? And next to it, we have a candle that opens, pushes lower, whatever. No, it was a bearish candle, right? Pushes higher, bum. You see how the low of this candle and the high of this candle never gets taken? This candle stays inside of the previous one. This is called a inside candle. Once inside candle delivers, not delivers, prints like this. Next, 1, 2, 3 candles. You want to see speed. You want to see movement. You want to see marketplace delivering what is supposed to deliver. If that happens, great. You take it. And you let it go. You let it rip. If that doesn't happen, you're just saying, okay, fuck this. I'm out. Because the concept that we trust, which is an inside candle, didn't deliver. Right? Which means, in a way, okay, that algo is struggling. Algo is not on point. Algo is getting influence right now. Yeah? But this happening, beautiful. And some people still say to me that, I don't know. I still trust supply-demand zones. Fuck that. Huh? Let's see if we're gonna invert now on in Q. I would be happy with it. Few more seconds. Here we go. So we're getting a confirmation that the candles are getting inverted now, right? We still have that higher time frame SMT. Order block gets annihilated, right? Push to the upside, full on a possibility. Yeah. Let's watch this. Towards where to? I'm not saying we're gonna deliver this, but I'm watching it, right? Partial comes off here. Another partial comes off here. Okay? 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes looks very good. 1 minute looks very good. Let's see. Let's see the possibility of the marketplace delivering higher now. Okay? I would very much appreciate that. You should be partial off. Stop loss goes to break even. And you're not interested in this no more. If it goes against you, it goes against you. You don't give two fucks about it. Happy days. Happy fucking days. It is a higher high though, consider that, because partial has to be taken. It is a higher high. We're not interested in the marketplace going any lower than this as well, right? Thus, break even comes into place. Carefulness, precaution. Yeah. I don't know if you notice how calm am I today? How chill, how relaxed, how happy to wait I am, and how fucking easy this is when you are in such a situation where you're fine to wait, when you're alright to understand that nothing is in a hurry, that you're totally cool engaging with the marketplace when it provides you an opportunity. 2 trades already taken. 2 take profits. $623 made. I don't know. Good for me. Good for me, man. And this is just running. Stop loss at break even. I'm not risking anything. Totally clean on this. Now, what is happening right here is not to my liking. I don't want this coming back into here. This very impulsive, like, okay, impulsive. This is the one and only time where I'm gonna say it, where everything we talk about the marketplace is very precise, very to the point, very key level after key level, precision point after precision. There's nothing, there's no space or place to interpret when we trade. When we look at the market, when we trust the fact that algo is running it, right? Impulsiveness is the only place and the only word that I allow myself to be used when I view the market, right? Let me explain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles right here, right? If you go into a lower time frame here, it's a consolidation profile right here. 4 candles, indecisive, nothing really happens. Bam, this green candle, impulsive. Like, whoever you're gonna say this to that has spent some time looking at the chart is gonna agree with you that 1022 is an impulsive candle. It shows you something. It gives you, oh, reaction, you know, runs, oh la la, you know, it makes you interested in this, huh? That is the only place where I'll allow some personal judgment to come into place, right? Stopped out. We're done. Now, why I say that impulsiveness is allowed, because I want to see an impulse when I make a decision. This impulse failed, thus I don't want to be in this anymore. I'm not interested anymore. Right? I wanted the marketplace to push higher. Impulse was given, no reaction away from it. Bomb pushing lower. I'm not interested anymore. I'm saying fuck it. I don't need this no more. Okay. Just to reconfirm, the price delivery last month is not normal, is it? Explain normal. Can you trade it? Yes, you can. Is it hard to trade this? Yes, it is. Are there better months than the last 4 weeks to trade? Yep. Every single month this year was better than this one that we're looking at right now. Okay? We're gonna wait. We're gonna see whether we're gonna be able to find another trade entry. But Ritas, this is what we touched base with yesterday. This is what we talked about yesterday, okay? Let me do something real quick. Let me take a look. Just 1 second, okay? We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. Listen, every time I talk about somebody on a personal level, I'm not saying it to judge, okay? I'm really keeping it honest, and I'm keeping it real towards everybody so everyone can learn from this, right? Rita's our very dear friend here is a guy who wants to take it all, right? He knows it. Every single time he enters a trade, he wants to take every single penny away from the market, right? He wants the whole daily range. He wants the whole buy-side liquidity pool to be taken. Like, he wants everything, right? That's his struggle. He knows that, and we kind of know it because we talk about it non-stop when he's online, right? When you say that the market is not normal right now, you say that you're not able to take the whole daily range away from the marketplace, which is not necessary for you. I just made $500. I went short here, and I took the sell side from here. $250, done and dusted. I just made $250 from this one fucking candle. One candle, man. One fucking candle. Good. Yes, I took a partial and I wanted it to run. I opened 12 micros and I closed one full contract here, and there remained 2 open. It got stopped out. Am I annoyed? Yeah, of course I am annoyed. I want it to run. I want to make it all. But do I say this is not tradable? No. I literally made $250 using the concept that works every single fucking day. SMT into inversion, buy stops resting above. Let's go. 60 seconds, $250. But dude, like, this is not 10 ticks. This is 30 handles. You realize how much it is? 30 handles, man. Huge. Consider this, right? Every single retail. So, okay, let me go to hourly chart. The market opened up here. It is the range of 300 handles. Bam, this is 300. Every single retailer comes into marketplace and thinks, 300, let's fucking go. I can make $6,000 on that, whatever the amount is. If I just go short here and then take a profit here. Okay, what we do, we understand that the market runs for 300 handles, and we say, okay, 20 is something that I'm gonna take a look at. I'm gonna do it 10 times per day if the marketplace allows me to, But I'm not gonna be stupid. I'm gonna take 20 handles every single time. It gives it to me. Now, coming back to the trade we took. Right here. Why do I say once the partial gets taken, right? I'm just getting started. Why do I say when the partial gets taken? Right here, bam, partial taken. Right here, entry, partial. Alright. Once the partial gets taken, I've moved my stop loss to break even right here. I move my stop loss to break even. Why? Because I know that around 65% of the time it's gonna get hit if the market is not bullish. Once the marketplace takes away internal liquidity, this is internal liquidity, I move my stop loss to break even immediately. Because if this is not bullish, if this is not running higher immediately, it's gonna take me out from the trade 65% of the time. How do I know that? Because I've been fucking testing it forever. I've been testing this for 5 years, man. Bam, break even. But, dude, 30 fucking handles. This is $250, man, that I already took away from the marketplace. Good enough for me. Huh? Now, this PA delivery 950, what is this? This is price that delivers during NFP. NFP protocol is very simple. During NFP week, Wednesday to Friday, you're not fucking touching the charts. This is what you're expecting to happen. Every single trade that you're gonna take, win or lose, is gonna be random for you. Because I know for a fact that you haven't put enough time into this to understand how this works. When you win a trade on Monday, Tuesday, during NFP week, yes, let's go. I believe that you understand how price works on Monday, Tuesday, during NFP week. I can agree with that. And I can even agree with you taking a trade during that time, knowing how much knowledge you have about the marketplace. At the same time, knowing how much knowledge you have about the marketplace, I know for a fact that hourly chart, remove drawings. This will sound fucking harsh, but everything from Wednesday midnight, right here, this right here, this is not for you. So why do you waste your energy watching this, looking for a trade? You watch this to learn, you watch this to see how market delivers, you watch this to see and identify how marketplace is bullshit during this period of time. So next NFP, and I'm saying this every single fucking month, that's why I get angry. I say this every single month when NFP comes, that starting Wednesday, midnight open, everything here is not for you guys. Because this here, for you so far, is random because you don't know how to use this. You don't. If you would know how to use this, you wouldn't ask what kind of price this is from 950. Right here. You wouldn't be asking a question like that if you would know how to navigate this, okay? And I'm not saying this to sound cool, I'm not saying this to sound better than you. I'm not doing that. I'm doing it so you would finally realize that you shouldn't be touching this. And if you would be coming into the marketplace today from, let's say, 950, whatever, here, not to trade, but to learn, to take notes, to open up a sheet of paper and write down your thoughts and everything you see, you do it 3 NFPs in a row, and you realize that nothing here is gonna be nice, so I'm gonna take my time off and I'm gonna enjoy it with my kids. family, wife, friends, myself, whatever. But you come into the marketplace today to trade, because I know it for a fact, because you lost the trade already. And then you say out loud, what kind of price this is? This is bullshit price action, yes. But it is a price that you can navigate. I literally traded it twice in front of you today. You can't navigate it. And I'm not saying it again. I'm not saying it to hurt you. I'm saying it to save you. Because every single time, guys, we come into a place where you come here during NFP week and you say, why is the price so bad? Because it's supposed to be bad. Because NFP Wednesday to Friday, NFP week Wednesday to Friday, is a time that every single guy that doesn't know what to do here is getting killed. That's what the market is supposed to do. It's supposed to fuck you over. It's supposed to destroy your account. It's supposed to destroy your emotions. It's supposed to destroy your mental capital, everything. So when Monday comes, after NFP week, when Monday comes, you have no energy, you have no capital, you have no possibilities on engaging this. Why? Because you made it stupid. You made a stupid decision where you don't listen to somebody who has knowledge about this saying that you shouldn't be trading this Wednesday to Friday during NFP. Thank you for listening. Put it to your notes. If you don't trust me, finally realize it yourself that this is not for you. Okay? Say okay. Because if you don't say okay, this is gonna happen again. Fuck me. I get frustrated because I went through this. I didn't trust my mentor when I started, you know? I think I'm done for the day. Even though sell stops are getting taken like this, I'm not gonna be interested in no more. Sell side taken, yeah. But I don't have anything I can work with. I don't. You can easily start pushing higher. It can easily go lower. 50-50 right now. So, knowing the fact that this is 50-50 right now, I'm gonna say it out loud. I'm gonna watch this push to the upside happen, possibly, right? Break of structure, opening up a fair value gap, come back into it, push to the upside. This can easily happen. This can easily happen. I'm gonna watch it, but I'm gonna leave you to it, guys. I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna say see you tomorrow. We're gonna go live on Discord tomorrow. And I'm gonna say enjoy the rest of the day. And yes, Ritas, don't trade, man. Not only this is NFP week, election is happening on Tuesday. What you should be doing, you should be taking a week off up until Wednesday. Do it for yourself. No, you're not doing it for me. Do it for yourself. Okay? So, see you next time, guys. Bye.